Hello friends, I am expecting that the last lecture would have enabled you in building a basic concept on benzene mechanism. Today we are going to discuss some important examples based on those concepts. Let's discuss them one by one. Question number 1. Draw the structure of product P1 and P2 in the following reaction. Let's go through the mechanism to understand structures and their distribution ratio. Base abstracts proton ortho to the bromine to produce anionic species A, which undergoes charge delocalization followed by elimination of bromide ion to produce benzene intermediate B. Attack of nucleophile at meta position gives species C, while that on para position gives species D. C after protonation gives product E, while D after protonation gives F. Methyl is an electron donating group, so species C will be slightly more stable than D, because in C the distance between the negative charge and the electron donating group is higher. So percentage of E will be slightly higher than F. So E is P1 and F is P2. Question number 2. Draw the structure of product in the following reaction. Phenyllithium is a strong base. It abstracts proton ortho to the fluorine, leading to the formation of organolithium species A, which undergoes elimination of lithium fluoride to produce benzene intermediate B. Now, another phenyllithium attacks on benzene to produce organolithium species C. This organolithium species C undergoes addition reaction with carbon dioxide to produce biaryl lithium carboxylate T, which after protonation produces product. Question number 3. Explain the fact that metabromoanisole and orthobromoanisole react with sodamide in liquid ammonia to produce meta-aminoanisole as the same product. Formation of same product from both the regioisomers suggests that both the reactions pass through the common intermediate. Orthobromoanisole has only one hydrogen ortho to bromine. Abstraction of this hydrogen by base will give anionic intermediate A, which after charge delocalization and elimination of bromide ion will give benzene intermediate B. On the other hand, metabromoanisole has two hydrogen ortho to bromine. Removal of hydrogen para to methoxy will give intermediate C, and removal of hydrogen ortho to methoxy will give intermediate D. The hydrogen para to methoxy is less acidic and the intermediate C is less stable than intermediate D, because in intermediate D there is greater stabilization of negative charge, as it is flanked between two electron withdrawing groups. Because of these two reasons, intermediate C is not formed. Intermediate D undergoes charge delocalization and elimination of bromide ion to produce intermediate B as the common intermediate. Now, attack of nucleophile on intermediate B produces intermediate E, which after protonation gives meta-aminoanisole as the only product. Question number 4. Predict the structure of A and B in the following reaction. The first reaction is an example of 2+2 cycloaddition reaction of benzene. Base abstracts proton ortho to bromine, leading to the formation of this anionic species, which undergoes charge delocalization and bromide ion elimination to produce benzene intermediate. We have already learned that electron withdrawing group like methoxy present at 3 position of benzene directs the upcoming nucleophile at meta position. In the given reaction, 1,1-dimethoxyethene acts as a nucleophile. It attacks meta position of benzene like this to produce this Zwitter ion, which cyclizes to produce this bicyclic compound, which is compound A. Under acidic condition, ketal protection is removed to afford corresponding ketone, which is structure B. Question number 5. Predict the product of the following reaction. Abstraction of proton by base followed by elimination of chloride ion leads to the formation of benzene intermediate A. Abstraction of proton alpha to cyano group leads to the formation of species B. Now, intramolecular nucleophilic attack on triple bond of benzene generates bicyclic intermediate C, which after protonation gives product D. Question number 6. Predict the structure of product in the following reaction. Orthobromoanisole reacts with sodamide to produce benzene intermediate A, like the way we have previously discussed. This is the nucleophile generated by the reaction of diethyl malonate with sodamide, which selectively attacks at the meta position of benzene to generate species B. Species B undergoes cyclization to afford species C, which after removal of ethoxy group gives species D. Now, hydroxide ion adds to the ketone to generate species E, which undergoes ring opening process to produce species F. Species F after protonation gives product G. Question number 7. Predict the structure of product in the following reaction. Substrate undergoes silyl deprotection by fluoride ion followed by removal of triplet to produce benzene intermediate A. Ethyl acetoacetate reacts with fluoride ion to produce nucleophile B. This nucleophile B attacks on benzene intermediate to generate species C, which undergoes cyclization by intramolecular nucleophilic addition to produce bicyclic anionic species D. Species D undergoes ring opening process to produce anionic intermediate E, which after protonation gives product. Question number 8. Predict the structure of product in the following reaction. Just like previous example, substrate undergoes silylity protection by fluoride ion, followed by removal of triplet to produce benzene intermediate A. Beta keto ester reacts with fluoride ion to produce nucleophile B. This nucleophile B attacks on benzene intermediate to produce species C, which undergoes cyclization by intramolecular nucleophilic addition to carbonyl to produce bicyclic anionic species D. Species D undergoes ring opening process to produce anionic intermediate E, which after protonation gives product.